So let me tell you why what happens when s is equal to 1 or is equal to 1. In the previous video I just told this is unpredictable. Okay, why it is unpredictable? See, when q is equal to 0, what is p here? It is 1. It's a q p, or just reverse, like it's a complement. Q is equal to, I can tell it as p bar. Like when q is equal to 0, p will be 1. When q is equal to 1, p will be 0. Look at here. Q is equal to 1, p is 0. Q is equal to 1, p is 0. Q is equal to 0, p is 1. Okay. Q is equal to 0, p is 1. So you can, by looking at these circuits, you can tell that q is equal to p bar, like it's a reverse. But when it comes to s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, let me write a circuit here. This is q, this is p, this is s, this is r. Let me write s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, right? What is the previous state here? 0. Let me take is equal to 0 itself. 0 means 0. 0 and 1. What happens? 0 and 1 is 0. So now p will be 0. Okay, 0 and 1 again. 0 and 1 is again 0. So look at here. P is 0, q is 0. In the previous circuits, when p is equal to 1, q is equal to 0. When p is equal to 0, q is equal to 1. It was reversed. Like there is a rule, like whenever q is always a complement of p. So, but that particular condition won't be satisfied when s is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1. This is one thing. Okay. Second thing is, as I just told, whenever s is equal to 1, the q will be in a set state. I call it as a set state. The q will be 1. Whenever r is equal to 1, whenever s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0, q will be set. Okay, 1. Whenever r is equal to 1, q is equal to 0, it's a reset. That's a 0. So if you want to make the output 0, you need to reset. If you want to make the output 1, you need to set. If you want to make a set, put s is equal to 1, r is equal to 0. If you want to make a reset, put s is equal to 0, r is equal to 1. Okay. So when s is 1, it will be 1. When r is equal to 1, q is equal to 0. This is one thing. But when s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, whether it should set or reset, the circuit will be under a confusion whether to set the state or reset the state. Okay, so this is the second unpredictable condition. This is where we don't get the answers for this. S is equal to 1 and r is equal to 1. And suddenly when the state from s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 suddenly moves from here to this state, s is equal to 0, r is equal to 0, what happens? It should retain its previous state, right? So, but here look at this circuit. Suddenly when s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, moves from 1 is equal to 0, 1 is equal to 0. Look at the p is 0, q is 0. When p moves from 0 to 1, q also moves from 0 to 1. When the p moves from 1 to 0, q also moves from 1 to 0. When p moves from 0 to 1, again it will move from 0 to 1. It has to get complement. Q is supposed to be reverse of p, but here when s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1, or when it moves from s is equal to 0 or r is equal to 0, the p and q will be one and the same. So actually q need to be opposite of p and p need to be opposite of q, but these two are getting same. This is why s is equal to 1, r is equal to 1 is unpredictable. It's not it's an improper SR latch operation. So the circuit diagram which I have written is this, and this circuit diagram are one and the same. This circuit diagram is one and the same. Look at this. Q is connected to this NOR gate, input of NOR gate, where S is connected. Again here, look at here. Q is connected to input of S NOR gate, and P is connected to input of R. So here also P is connected to input R. This circuit has been written in this format or this format. This circuit and these circuits are one and the same. Okay. So this is why S is equal to 1 and R is equal to 1 is question mark unpredictable. Okay. No condition. I can tell it is a no condition. Then moving on to this timing diagram of SR latch. So what happens when S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0? This is a low state. This is 1, high. When it is low, I could take it as 0. When S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. What is the state of Q? When S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, what is the state? No change. No change means it retains its previous state. So Q previous state, if it is 0, it will be 0. If it is 1, it will be 1. Andre Q previous state alli high iddu andre next state S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ high state ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ. Q previous state 1 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲ 0 ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ previous state ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0 ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಲೋನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 0ನೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ Q is equal to 0, R is equal to 0, Q is 0 here. Q is 0 here means the previous state of Q was 0 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು, so low. So now the S moves from 0 to 1 and R is equal to 0 here. R is equal to 0. What happens? When S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, it's a set state. So Q should move from low state to high state. See the waveform moving from 0 to high. But look at this. This is nothing but a propagation delay. Why this propagation delay will happen? There is an amount of time required when a signal need to transmit from ear to ear. There is a propagation delay when it's supposed to be passed through from inside a gate. Some delay will happen. That will be in microseconds. Okay, so that is what is propagation delay. So after moving from 0, yes, after changing S from 0 to 1, after R is 0, it takes some amount of delay to convert the Q from moving from 0 to 1 state, high state. S is equal to 1, R is equal to 0, set state. This is 1. So again S will move to 0 state now. S is equal to 0, R is equal to 0. So it remains in the high state itself. Means Q will no change. Q previous state is high, so the Q will retain its previous state. That will be high itself. Again, then S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1. When S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 means reset state. Reset state means 0. S is equal to 0, R is equal to 1 means, so the high state will move to low state after some propagation delay. ಸೊ ಇದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಲೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಗೇಟಿಂದ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊಪಗೇಷನ್ ಡಿಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫ್ಲಿಪ್ ಫ್ಲಾಪ್ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ವರ್ಕ್.